Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. I hope you guys are doing well wherever you are. For those of you that keep coming back, thank you so much for always tuning in, and for my new subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this donut. This is donut, guys, don't be confused with the shape. Okay, so let's get into the video. So for this, I will be needing 2 eggs and 1 yolk. Okay, keep watching, guys. I'll go ahead and whisk the egg. When I'm done whisking the egg, I'll add my instant yeast. Okay, this is instant yeast, you don't need to activate this. Okay, so yeah, I'll just go ahead and add the yeast. The next thing I'll be adding is 3 tablespoons of sugar. The list of the ingredient and their measurements will be under the description box below, so ensure to check it out. So here I have my powdered milk, and I have 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. I'll go ahead and run some water on it, mix and add to the egg mixture. Keep watching, guys. I will mix everything to combine. At this point, if you have to use salted butter, you don't need to add salt, but if you're using unsalted butter, you can add your salt at this time. Okay, so we're done with the egg mixture. I'll go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. When I'm done adding the flour, I will go ahead and mix. At this point, my spatula was not doing the job well, so I will go ahead and use my hand. My hand is clean. Okay, I will go ahead, use my hand to work the flour and the egg mixture, mix everything to combine. At this point, we're done mixing. We'll go ahead and allow it to rest for 15 minutes for gluten to activate. "15 minutes later, I will go ahead and add my half cup of salted butter. If you're using salted butter, you don't add salt, but if you're using unsalted, go ahead and add your pinch of salt. You go ahead and fold everything, mix the butter and the batter to combine. Guys, if you have your hand mixer, your stand mixer, you can use it. Don't be like me that always want to use my hand to do everything. I have my hand mixer, I have my stand mixer, but I don't know why I choose to use my hand. Okay, so just keep working the butter and the batter together. You see everything come together. At this point, we're done mixing the batter and the butter. We'll go ahead, cover and allow it to sit for 1.5 hours. Guys, donut, you don't need to be in a hurry. When you have all the time, like If you're making donut, it should be the day that you're bored, you don't know what to do with your time, like you're bored, you just want to get busy. Okay, like today, I was just in the mood to make some donut. Okay, so cover and let it sit for 1.5 hours. This is 1.5 hour later. You see the dough has doubled in size. I will go ahead and transfer to my kitchen counter. Is cleaned, and I grease the surface of my kitchen counter with some vegetable oil. So I will go ahead and transfer the batter on my work surface. Okay, all you do at this point is just to fold in everything. Just fold, fold, fold. Okay, until you get a very smooth dough. After folding, you just roll it out on a little ball. Okay, we're still going to allow this to rest for another 1 hour. So I will go ahead and roll them out on a little ball. Okay, and you have to space them out because this is still going to rise. So we're done rolling it out. We'll cover and allow it to rise for another 1 hour. Then we'll come back and start making our frying. As you can see, the dough has really doubled in size. So we'll go ahead and start shaping our donut. You can shape anyhow you want it. I choose to do the balls shape, like puff puff shape. Okay, because I don't have the the thing to give it that donut shape, so I don't have it. So I choose to do the puff puff shape. So that's why it's looking like a puff puff, but this is donut, this is not puff puff. Okay. Keep watching, guys. So keep shaping it until you are done. So I'm going to show you. You can use your bottled water. I don't want to go through that straight. Use your bottled water and just give it that, that round shape right there. Okay, but I'm not in the mood for doing that. Okay, I'm just showing you. The oil is already preheating. So if you want to check your oil if it's ready, just put a skewer into the oil. If you see a bubble, know that the oil is ready. Go ahead and start making the donut. Fry until it's golden brown on a medium heat. Here comes the finished look of the donut. Is this not looking yummy? This is the one I used the bottled water to shape. So you can use anything to shape it, but like I said earlier, I wasn't in that mood. You know, I didn't want to stress myself that much, so I just have to do something that will be fast for me. Okay, guys, this was so good, this was so delicious, and the thing, the donut actually came out so well. At this point that is very hot, if you like the sugar rub, you know, most people, they just like to sprinkle some sugar on it. If you like the sugar rub, go ahead and, you know, add some sugar on the body. Just sprinkle some sugar on the body of the donut. But guys, I don't want, you know, any sugar on top. I want mine to be plain. Okay, so if you want the sugar, go ahead and do it. So what I'm going to do now for the filling, I have my grape jam here. Use any jam of your choice, your favorite jam. It can be strawberry, any jam of your choice. So what I'm going to do now, I will go ahead and start filling the jam into the donut. Okay, yeah, so keep watching, guys. So this is what I'm gonna do until I'm done filling all the donuts.